Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to recover deleted mobile number in your Android phone. For that, you need to open your web browser and type contacts.google.com and press enter. Now here enter your same Gmail ID which you have entered in your Android mobile phone. Now here go to options and press on this more. Now under more you will find option undo changes. Now press on this undo changes. Now here you can revert your contact list to any state in last 30 days. So if you have deleted your contact by mistake just now, then you can choose 10 minutes ago or you can set time accordingly. But you can recover your contact within 30 days of delete. But before using this option, it would be better if you take a backup of your contacts. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.